Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came on the biggest hiring for 2027 pass out batch. So this is hiring came from the Myntra. So Myntra ramp up business functions internship hiring. So this is a internship hiring means first of all you will get internship and there is strong chance of conversion to PPO. So first of all I will suggest share this video among your friends so that they will get clarity. And 2027 student batch start preparation for other exams like TCS NQT and other job. Okay, so I'll make a dedicated video related to roadmap for the 2027 hirings and all those. So just subscribe us and comment here whether you want this video or not related to the strategy you should apply for getting the job in upcoming days. Okay, because you know just now you are in a third year and soon भाई आप लोग का fourth year start होगा, so you will be having lot of hustle in upcoming days, so be ready for that. So talking about this important opportunity, so those who are final year BTech student from any specialization graduating in the year 2027, they are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, now recruitment process is what? So recruitment process is stage 1 registration. Okay, and registration date is 13th April 2026, means already started, and this is gonna mass hiring you can say if you will do if you will perform well in this hackathon kind of things. Okay, so stage 1 registration, this is the first step of your journey to participate in this hiring challenge. You must register before the things and you have to go through term and condition. This stage is eliminatory in nature. Candidates are expected to be flexible for any of the given roles, as the final internship role will be assigned based on the candidate's profile, interview performance and all those stuff. Means you should be basically flexible with multiple roles. And next is stage 2, that is pre-placement talk. So remember this, they have clearly mentioned that they means for this hiring only eligible list of college mention they are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, so these are the important eligible institution, that is Aligarh Muslim University, Amity University, Amrit Vishwa University, Andhra University, Anna University and Birla and BITS Pilani, Chandigarh University. So these are the various university they are eligible for this. IITs and some NITs are also there. So these are the some important, including Jadavpur University from the Kolkata, Jawaharlal Nehru Technical University and Lovely Professional LPU, Maulana Azad National Institute means MNAIT Bhopal and other. Just you can check the list. So there are multiple colleges and university are there. So make sure before applying Sardar Vallabhbhai, SBNIT Surat are also eligible and SR University. So there are around 100 universities are there. So just check the list in your means check your college name or university name from the list and apply post checking that. So that is the step 1 registration. Step 2, that is pre-placement talk. Get an insider look for our culture. So you will be getting the meeting link. Okay, and just passcode you have to basically enter this. So post registration will get all those details related to that. Next, online assessment round. So each candidate will receive 60 multiple questions categorized on the basis of aptitude, advanced Excel, technical foundation, that is Python and SQL and verbal ability. Friends, if you need these free preparation material, just join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. I will share all these free of cost. If you want these in the description, just comment here whether you need the free preparation material for verbal, technical, advanced and apti or not. If you need, I'll sure set provide. Okay, and we have lots of plan especially for 2027 pass out batch. Okay, soon we will announce the basically playlist for that aptitude too. Okay, so just keep tune on our keep an your eye on our YouTube channel. Okay, you will get all those update here. So this is a wonderful opportunity. So if you want, you can apply. Just you can download the job description, term and condition they are mentioning. So this is means for downloading the job description, you have to basically log into Myntra. Okay, and sorry, you have to log into Unstop and you have to just go through it. So this is the internship location Bangalore and 6-month internship and work detail 5 days you have to do work detail and from the office. Additional opportunity pre-placement offer that we call as PPO means आपको pre-placement offer भी मिल जाएगा. So this is a wonderful opportunity we can apply. These are the some things they have mentioned that if you have any query that how do I submit my code solution, so just go through the query they are asking. Coming to next important opportunity, that is for the role of full stack developer intern. Okay, so they are hiring for the role of intern positions and there will be also offline assessment test. So if you are available means offline at Hyderabad, Noida, Chennai, Pune, Bangalore, then you can apply for this. Just go through complete details, job details. I will provide the link in the description and apply. Remember friends, make sure to apply with Myntra. This is the good hiring and they usually do lots of hiring or internship. If you will get from the this company now, then it will basically boost your resume. Okay, so focus on brushing up your resume because it will really matter a lot for your further selection. So कोई भी query है, we are here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn Okay, just I will share my LinkedIn ID. Okay, this is my LinkedIn ID, so I will share it. We can connect. कोई भी क्वेरी है भाई आप लोग को प्लेसमेंट के लिए लग जाए, दैट्स द ओनली मोटो ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो टू। होप इन्फॉर्मेटिव टू। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।